I know I'm not encouraged to have an inquiring mind, but why are we going to wherever I'm taking you?
Our destination is the Manor House function rooms in Morton Road. I have to see to the arrangements for today's ladies' luncheon club. They rely on me so.
Does that mean you won't be at home for lunch?
Well, of course I won't be at home for lunch, dear. We have a special speaker today. You'll have to manage on your own for once.
The molecular biologist will tell you that 98% of our genes are identical to those of monkeys. Less than 2% are specifically human.
So?
So why do I wake up craving for a fag and not a banana?
You've been watching Open University again.
It broadens your intellectual horizons.
That's true. If it wasn't for your handicap, you'd have gone far.
What handicap?
Bone idleness.
That's not a handicap. It's a philosophical position. I'm making a statement.
I wish you wouldn't lie there looking criminally attractive when I'm reading a passionate story.
Right, well, I can't stay here all day.
Now, it's absolutely essential that everything should go smoothly. We're very fortunate to have today's speaker.
Oh, yes.
The Commodore is an internationally famous round-the-world yachtsman. They say he drinks. They say who drinks?
The Commodore. Where did you hear this? At the time of all that scandal that led to his divorce. Oh, yes. Apparently he does like the ladies.
Well, you know what sailors are.
Not personally, no.
Well, I'm afraid it's probably a bit late to begin remedying that. Should be all right, as long as we keep him away from the brandy.
And our members.
Anyway, I expect it's all been grossly exaggerated. You know what the papers are. Now, we need a volunteer
Hello?
to collect...
The bucket woman.
Goodness me, not even a quorum. How very fortunate I dropped in. And that's Sheridan in his scout uniform. He made his mummy a lovely fire in the garden. Single-handedly and with one match, he completely destroyed the potting shed. Now,
Well, of course, I'd love to stay here all day, but I do have to find a volunteer to collect today's speaker from the station.
look no further, Miss Wilkinson. I shall attend to the Commodore personally.
Oh, no. I'm sure we needn't bother you, Mrs. Buck. Okay.
Leave it to me. I shall take the Commodore under my wing. My husband and I go boating occasionally. It'll be very comforting for the Commodore to meet with his own kind.
And God bless all who sail in her.
Good morning, Elizabeth.
Morning, Hyacinth.
Shall you be with us at the ladies' luncheon today?
Oh, yes. I'm looking forward to the speaker.